Hi, we are back with our new video of HubSpot integration series, and in this video we are going to talk about another feature of HubSpot known as notes. So let's start the video. So what exactly are the notes? So notes are basically follow-up things or follow-up information or particular information of clients which we want to save with their user profile. So how can we find notes or how to use a note? So this is our WhatsApp and this is our HubSpot. So just click on HubSpot and a HubSpot window will appear here. So you will see the third. So just click on HubSpot and option is of notes. Go to notes and you will see write follow-up comment here option will appear. So write a note, suppose meeting with customer. So this is our note suppose, and we just have to save it. So it is loading. When we save a note here, so it will automatically be updated on HubSpot. And how to check it? Just go to this arrow icon and it will show all the details of this particular contact which is saved on HubSpot. So now you will see a note option will appear here, and click on note and you will see the note which is made by me will automatically be updated in HubSpot. Meeting with customer is there at 4 October 5:04 p.m. So this is a simple way by which we can create a note and get updated for this particular number.